How to create a Facebook business page. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll down and select the option of Pages. Now, click on the option of Create. Click on the option Get Started. What's the name of your page? Firstly, type in the page name. Click on Next. What category best describes your page? I'm gonna select clothing. Then you can click on Create. What best describes your goals? Promote your products or services, create content and connect with fans. Select the option of your choice and then click on Continue. Finish setting up your page. Now you have to provide these details. First, introduce your page. Then, provide these details as website, email, phone number, and the location of your business. Likewise, available hours for your business and then click on Next. Now you can set up your page, profile picture, cover photo, likewise action button and then click on Next. You are able to invite or add friends to your page and then click on Next. You can enable for these options marketing and promotional emails about your page, likewise page notifications on your profile. And with that, your page will be created. So this way you are able to create your Facebook business page. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.